guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Humphrey. Today we're going to learn how we can merge two images together. If you have two beautiful pictures that you want to put together, you can do that in CapCut. So let me tell you a very short story here. You have these people in a boat cruise enjoying some lunch or brunch or whatever, but they have no sunshine in their lives, right? And then we have this enormous amount of light, okay? So then we can just merge this to this so that we can have these people enjoying some form of sunshine right above them, okay? All right, let's learn. First, you need to import your images into the timeline. Then import this. Okay, now let's put this on top of that. Okay, so the two images are properly aligned. To actually see that, let's come to the blend section and then reduce the opacity. And then as you can see, there. So what we are going to do is, you see the sun here. We're just going to leave it there. Okay, we're just going to leave the sun there so that these people can enjoy some form of sunlight. Okay, now let's increase the opacity back again. And then what we are going to do is, by selecting the top clip here, we click on mask, we choose horizontal, and then what we'll do is we will just tilt this, okay, to this side. Remember, our target is the sun, right? Then we move this slider up like this, up to this point, and then we fade in this way, like so. I think that would be nice. Very good. Let's click on this basic, and then as you can see, they have sunshine, right? You can go ahead and play with it and make sure that it blends seamlessly for them. So if you have other images that you would like to play around with, please go ahead and do so and give me feedback in the comment section. If this tutorial was helpful, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and stay safe.